Traveling for work or study just got easier. The best rolling laptop bag combines durability, style, and functionality, giving you smooth mobility and secure storage. Perfect for professionals or students, it keeps essentials organized while reducing the strain of carrying heavy loads. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ytonet Rolling Laptop Bag. The Ytonet Rolling Laptop Bag is designed for professionals who want a blend of convenience, durability, and style. One of its standout features is the upgraded telescopic handle made from lightweight aluminum alloy. It's not only easy to extend and collapse with just the press of a button, but it also locks firmly in place to prevent wobbling or instability. Unlike many rolling bags that feel flimsy over time, this updated version ensures smooth, undamped use and long service life. Equally impressive are its sturdy, silent rubber wheels that glide effortlessly over rough surfaces. Tested through miles of bumps and uneven roads, the wheels are durable and reduce the strain on your shoulders and hands, making commuting far less stressful. Storage is another area where this bag excels, offering over 10 organized compartments, including a padded laptop compartment for extra protection. It's spacious enough to carry 2 to 3 days worth of essentials from clothes and binders to chargers, iPads, and even an umbrella or water bottle in the side pockets. The airport-friendly design makes it a perfect replacement for bulky carry-ons during short business trips. Measuring 16.5 by 10.2 by 15 inches, the bag fits comfortably in most travel situations while being stylish enough for business women and teachers on the go. Number 2. Arcoyard Rolling Laptop Bag. The Arcoyard Rolling Laptop Bag is an excellent choice for women who want functionality without compromising on elegance. Built with a durable aluminum telescopic handle, it provides easy extension and locks securely into place, ensuring a hassle-free rolling experience. The smooth, wear-resistant rubber wheels are another highlight, offering silent and stable movement even on uneven roads, which reduces the burden on your shoulders and hands. What sets this bag apart is its waterproof construction, with built-in waterproof pockets to protect valuables from spills or to store wet clothes separately. A padded laptop compartment supports devices up to 18 inches, and additional polyester coating on the bottom and sides provides superior scratch resistance. The TSA-friendly design makes travel much easier, as the bag opens a full 180 degrees for quick security checks. Measuring 17.5 by 13.7 by 7 inches, it provides enough space for 2 to 3 days of clothes, files, and accessories. The separate compartments are well thought out, including an organized section for documents and pens, plus elastic bands with buckles to secure clothing neatly. Crafted from 900D polyester fiber with PU leather handles, the bag looks premium and feels durable at the same time. It's suitable for commutes, overnight stays, and business trips, making it versatile for professionals. Arcoyard also emphasizes its gift-worthy appeal, making it a thoughtful present for women during holidays or special occasions. Combining durability, functionality, and elegant design, the Arcoyard Rolling Laptop Bag proves to be an outstanding companion for women seeking both style and practicality in their travel and work accessories. Number 3. Amazon Basics Rolling Laptop Bag. The Amazon Basics Rolling Laptop Bag is a simple yet highly practical solution for professionals who prioritize efficiency. Unlike overly complicated designs, this bag focuses on delivering just what you need: durability, portability, and reliable laptop protection. With a lightweight yet sturdy frame, it's easy to carry or roll through airports and office corridors. The telescopic push-button handle is smooth to adjust, extending and retracting quickly without sticking. Paired with quick rolling wheels, it provides effortless mobility even in busy environments. The main compartment accommodates laptops up to 15.6 inches, ensuring your device stays secure during travel. For professionals who carry more than just a laptop, the bag includes an easy-access front pocket with compartments for small essentials like pens, notepads, and business cards. While it may not have as many specialized compartments as premium models, it still offers enough organization to keep work essentials tidy and within reach. One of its biggest advantages is its compact design. Sized to fit neatly under most airplane seats, it's an ideal travel companion for business trips or quick flights where carrying a full suitcase is unnecessary. Its understated style blends easily into any professional environment, making it suitable for both men and women. For users who want a reliable rolling laptop case without the frills, the Amazon Basics model delivers solid value. It's durable enough for regular use, offers smooth maneuverability, and protects laptops effectively, all at a budget-friendly price point. Number 4. KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag. The KROSER Rolling Laptop Bag is a feature-packed option for professionals who want organization, durability, and travel convenience. Measuring 18.1 by 14.2 by 8.7 inches and weighing 6.3 pounds, it's constructed from high-quality fabric that withstands daily wear while maintaining a professional look. A standout feature is its multi-functional compartment design, which includes a padded section for laptops up to 17.3 inches, plus space for an iPad, notebooks, wallets, files, and even clothes. Side zippered pockets are perfect for holding water bottles or umbrellas, while the functional front pocket keeps essentials like pens and documents within reach. The padded laptop compartment ensures extra protection from accidental bumps and shocks, an essential for frequent travelers. Travel-friendly design is another highlight, as the KROSER bag fits into most airline overhead bins and meets standard carry-on requirements. Additionally, RFID protected pockets help secure sensitive information encoded on passports, IDs, and credit cards, providing peace of mind against identity theft. Its push-button telescoping handle and silent wheels make navigating through airports or office corridors effortless, and the lockable zippers add an extra layer of security. For added convenience, the luggage strap on the back allows you to securely fix the bag onto a larger suitcase trolley, reducing strain during travel. The blend of practical features and durable construction makes this rolling laptop bag an excellent investment for business professionals. Number 5. EMPSIGN Rolling Laptop Bag. The EMPSIGN Rolling Laptop Bag offers a premium blend of durability, capacity, and professional design, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Constructed from polyester canvas fabric, it's both durable and water repellent, ensuring that your belongings remain safe in light rain or snowy conditions. Sized at 18.1 by 9 by 14.2 inches and weighing 6.3 pounds, it features a telescopic handle extending up to 21.7 inches, along with solid rubber wheels that provide smooth and effortless mobility. The bag is equipped with a padded laptop compartment supporting devices up to 17.3 inches, alongside a separate tablet section, ensuring your electronics are well protected. Its ample storage capacity accommodates not only gadgets but also clothes, folders, and office essentials. An overnight compartment with elastic straps keeps clothing organized and in place during travel. One standout feature is the RFID blocking section, which prevents electronic pickpocketing and keeps sensitive information safe, a must-have for frequent travelers. The bag is designed with convenience in mind, including a trolley strap on the back that secures it to larger luggage. Its size meets most airline carry-on requirements, making it a great choice for flights, train journeys, and road trips alike. Stylish yet practical, the EMPSIGN bag works well for commuting, business trips, or even impromptu getaways. It also makes a thoughtful gift for colleagues, friends, or family members who need a professional-looking rolling work bag. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.